Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Titostutor Your Math Pedagogue. In today's video, we're going to be simplifying indices expressions that involve exponential. Our first question is 2 squared multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 4. Because the bases are equal, we're going to use the product law of indices. Choose one of the base and add the powers. This is the same as 2 raised to the power of 6. Remember, 2 raised to the power of 6 is multiply 2 in 6 places. Let's go. 2, 1 times another 2. This is the third one, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So this is 2 raised to the power of 6. 2 times 2 is 4. I usually take it to 2 so I don't get myself confused. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. My final answer is 64. Okay, here is our second expression to be simplified, and it's 24x raised to the power of 6 all over 8x raised to the power of 4. Remember that a fraction line is division. So how many 8s do I get in 24? It's 3. 8 here 1, 8 here 3. So here I have 3, and it's multiplying x raised to the power of 6 divided by x raised to the power of 4. So this is quotient rule. Because they have the same base and they're dividing, I'm going to subtract their powers. So this is 3x raised to the power of 6 minus 4. And 6 minus 4 is 2. So my final answer is 3x squared. And I am done. Question 3. 9 times 10 raised to the power of 9 divide by 3 times 10 raised to the power of 3, because a fraction line means division. So I can split this into 9 divided by 3 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 9 divided by 10 raised to the power of 3. Let's do that. So it is 9 divided by 3, which is obviously 3, yeah, multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 9 divided by 10 raised to the power of 3. So I have 9 divided by 3 is 3, multiplied by, I choose one of the powers applying quotient law of indices, and I subtract their power. So this is 3 times 10 raised to the power of 6. In standard form, you can leave your answer like this, or you can expand it, right? So raised to the power of 6 is 3 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Final answer. Either or is acceptable. Here's our question 4. It says 9a raised to the power of negative 5 multiplied by 4a raised to the power of 6. The first thing you do is multiply your coefficients. We're going to multiply 9 and 4. If you multiply that, it gives you 36. Then you can now multiply the variables with their powers. So it is times a raised to the power of negative 5 multiplied by a raised to the power of 6. They both have a's as their base, so I use the product law. I choose one of the bases. So this is still 36 times, choose one of it and add negative 5 plus 6. That's going to give you 1. This is the same as 36 multiplied by a raised to the power of 1. But in algebra, we don't write raised to the power of 1. A raised to the power of 1 is the same as a. And final answer becomes 36a. And we are done. Here we have it. Final question for this video, question 5. It says 15 times 10 raised to the power of 4 divide by, put in bracket, 3 times 10 raised to the power of negative 2. That means I can actually rewrite this by saying 15 times 10 raised to the power of 4 divide. A fraction line means division. 3 times 10 raised to the power of negative 2. Remember, I can divide this by saying 3 here 1, 3 here 5. So this is just 5 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 4 divide by 10 raised to the power of negative 2. So I can use the quotient law of indices for this by subtracting the powers after choosing just one of the base, because the bases are the same. So here I have 5 times, choose one of the base and subtract their powers. You are subtracting, but what you're subtracting from 4 has a negative, so it's double negative. So it's 4 minus negative 2. And you know that will give you 5 times 10 raised to the power of 4. Negative times negative is positive, plus 2. So final answer is 5 times 10 raised to the power of 6. In standard form, you can leave it like this and you're done, or acceptable also, you can expand it. 5 million, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Either or is absolutely correct. If you have learned something from today's video, I want you to kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, turn on my notification so you don't miss any video from me.